Hello viewers, yeah, we're going to have a go at this beef ragu. I've got about 200 grams of bacon lardons, smoked bacon. I'm going to dry fry it, bacon, until it's golden. Leave the fat in the pan, take the bacon out, and then fry the mince. 500 grams of mince, and then we're going to put some butter in, some oil in, some celery, some carrots, an onion, a bit of milk, some red wine, a bit of beef stock, and we've got a ragu. Okay. Okay, there's your bacon, and there's the remainder of the fat. I'm going to fry the beef in that, okay? Yeah, we're going to add 5 sticks of celery, finely chopped. Don't forget to water them first, get the soil off. And half a dozen small carrots, peeled and chopped quite finely. They're going to go in the pan. I'm going to do this, prep this while the bacon's still frying. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to take the bacon out using a slotted spoon. I'm going to leave the fat in and fry the mince. Okay, so bacon out, leave the fat in, use a slotted spoon. Okay. Yeah, just showing you. I'll fry the mince. It's 500 grams of mince here. I fry it off in 2 batches. You can see it's nearly browned off now. That, so I'll scoop this out, put the remainder in. Then we're going to add a chopped onion, then the vegetables. You know, I've got celery and carrots in there. You see? Okay. Oops. Forward. Okay. Right. I've been frying the mince off. So, just going to throw a knob of butter in, and there's one roughly chopped onion there. Fry that off till it goes soft, translucent. So turn the heat up a bit. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons full of good oil. 1, a bit more there, 2, and a bit less. Okay. When the onions are fried off, we'll put the celery in, the carrots in, fry them off, and then we'll have the beef stock, the mince, the milk, the red wine, and cook it down. Right, I'm happy with them onions. What I'm going to do now is just add the celery and the carrots, cook that for a minute or so. While that's cooking, I'm going to make a pint of beef stock. It's all about keeping things moving, being a bit efficient when you're tired. Right, cook the celery and carrots for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to reintroduce the mince and the bacon. Keep that nice there. What we're going to do now is add 150 ml of milk, whole milk, on top. There we go, 150 ml. Bring that to the boil, and then we're going to simmer for a couple of minutes.
I'm going to add some artichoke puree when that's boiled and simmered. Right, we're going to stir in 4 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree. Stop one dot, the grandma used to say. Right, stir that in for a couple of minutes. Gives it fantastic depth, that, if you're interested. More magic here. Red wine, just a drop of red wine. Some better cupful. A drop more, won't do anyhow. So what we're going to do now is stir that in and reduce it. Probably 20%. Let that reduce, then I'm going to add the stock and then simmer it for a couple of hours, just like a plan. I don't want to chop spaghetti with this or pasta. Come on, penny, I don't know. Right, that took about 20 minutes that. As you can see, the wine's cooked in, it's really reduced, lovely there. So what we're doing now, just going to put in a pint of beef stock and the trick to this now is just slowly let it cook. So we're going to cook that as it is now for about 2.5 to 3 hours, and that is going to be the best beef ragu you ever had. Yeah. Right, you want to cook your pasta separate from the ragu, bit of salt in there, that's just for me tonight. So 100 grams of pasta, 100 grams per person, put a lid on it, bring it to the boil, simmer it for 10 minutes, no longer, and your pasta's cooked. Now a secret is, don't throw the pasta water away, stir a cupful of the pasta water, stir a cupful of pasta water into the ragu, and that'll help the ragu stick to your pasta. That's a chef's tip, that. There you go.
Bit of stinky cheese. Bit of black pepper.
So there you have it. Relic's beef ragu. Buon appetito!